Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by preparing dry and wet stations so you move quickly. Pulse 2 slices or use 1 cup store breadcrumbs for uniform texture. This gives even coating. Place 1/2 cup flour in a shallow dish and beat 2 eggs in another bowl to make the wash. Eggs help crumbs adhere. Season crumbs with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Herbs add aroma. Once done, pat chicken dry so the coating sticks. Wet surfaces repel crumbs. You now execute the coating sequence to build a crunchy crust. First, dredge the chicken in flour and shake off excess. Flour creates a dry base. Next, dip fully into the beaten eggs. Make sure excess drains so crumbs don't clump. Then press the breadcrumbs onto the surface, applying light but firm pressure so particles adhere and gaps close. This step controls crunch and prevents shedding. Once coated, set pieces on a rack for 5 minutes to help the bond set before you finish by cooking to crispness and checking doneness. For pan fry, heat 2 tablespoons oil over medium and cook about 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden. Turn once. For oven finish, bake at 425 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway to brown evenly. If crumbs become soggy, make sure internal temperature reached. Then re-crisp on a rack in a 400 degrees oven for 5 to 7 minutes. This restores crunch without over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.